In this video, we're updating a Galaxy S4 Mini from 512 megabytes to 2 gigs. Simply go to your menu, pick Settings. That gives you another menu in which you're going to select More on the upper right hand side. Now you will select Storage. And then you'll scroll to the bottom of that menu, and there we will select to unmount the SD card. Now, of course, if there is no SD card in the unit, this is an unnecessary step. Now you'll select OK. The card will unmount, and we verify that yes, it is unmounted. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our home menu and turn off the phone. Once the phone is off, we're going to turn the phone over, and there are 2 places where you can try to get the back cover off, bottom and the right hand side. Using my nail, and unfortunately I trimmed my nails right before this, we're going to separate the back cover, and there I go. With the thumb I was able to get that loose. We carefully take off the back cover. We have to remove the battery. Again, use your thumb from the bottom. Remember the orientation of that battery. And now there are 2 cards. There's the SIM card on your left and the media card on the right, or an empty slot if you don't have any memory at that point. In our case, we're going to push down from the top of that little memory card to push the memory card out. So push down from the top, then pull from the bottom of that memory card, and it should slide right out. Set that aside. Grab your new card, which can be up to, I think, 32 gigs, and then slide it in and press up or slide up. And you can make sure, just push it up with your nail, make sure it's in there nice. Reinsert the battery, with the brand name up, put the cover back in place, make sure it's secured. Once that is done, turn on your phone. Once the phone is powered up, we're going to go back to menu. We're going to hit Settings. We're going to select More. We're going to go down to Storage and scroll down to the bottom. And this time, we're going to look at the storage space, and we see we have more now. But we're going to have to format the card because this card was used, and you hit the format. It gives you Format SD card. Now it will ask for a confirmation pin, so put in your pin. And you'll get a message saying that it's going to delete all the data on this card. And are you sure you really want to do this because we can't recover? Yes, delete all. It'll unmount the card. It'll erase the card and remount it for you. And now if you look, you see your available space and total space. If you've enjoyed this video, if it's been helpful, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, and as always, thank you very much for watching.